Hello everyone, this is Carol. In the previous videos, we have shared many video editing techniques, effects, creation, and more. Well, today I will recommend 3 free design-related websites to help you better create videos or just have some fun. If you are interested in this one, keep watching the video. The first one, ResourceBoy. ResourceBoy is a treasure trove of design resources, including vector icons, PSD templates, fonts, textures, UI kits, illustrations, mockups, and even 3D models. It has everything to meet your design needs. You can browse the homepage for content that interests you, and upon clicking, you will see detailed previews, descriptions, license scopes, and compatible software. If you want to browse more similar designs, you can scroll down to find more related options. If you have a specific goal, you can choose a specific category or directly search for the content you like. For example, if we search for text effect, we can find 232 text effects. You can download them for use in relevant software or use them as inspiration. For instance, we can try to recreate this arrow glitch effect. First, we open VideoProc. If you haven't downloaded it yet, use the link in the description box down below to download the software for free. Then click here to create a new text. Enter the text you want and adjust the font, size, shadow, position, and more. After that, adjust position and scale and enter the text. Once finished, click here to save a screenshot. Then import a screenshot into VideoProc. Next, we click on Effects, find Glitch, and drag it onto the effect track. Now we've roughly recreated the effect we saw earlier. We can further enhance it by adding other effects, like a rag effect to add more motion. Or an old TV effect to make the screen look curved. Finally, we can adjust some parameters in the inspector, like lowering the exposure a little bit and slightly increasing the scale. Now let's play it back and see. Well, the result looks pretty good. This website is an encyclopedia of colors, featuring a wide variety of colors. Unlike many other color matching websites, it labels each color with its name, so when you're unsure about a color's name, you can check it here. Let's click on a color we like. At the top, it shows the color's code, properties, wavelength, and more. Below, you will find complementary color and other colors derived from adjusting the brightness and saturation of the base color. Of course, essential color schemes based on this color are also available. Additionally, you can see traditional color from other countries and regions and their names. When a designer from another country mentions an unfamiliar color, you can use this website to find a corresponding color. Nowadays, we encounter more and more AI-generated content in our daily lives and work. With continuous iterations and upgrades in AI technology, AI-generated images are becoming harder to distinguish. When you have doubts about whether a piece of work is AI-generated, Illuminarty can help. Simply drag the image here, and the software will automatically start analyzing it, displaying the probability that the image was AI-generated on the right. The higher the probability, the more likely the image is AI-generated. Besides image, it can also analyze text content. For example, we paste a piece of text here and quickly show that there is a 56.5% chance that the text is AI generated. And this text, yes, I generated using ChatGPT. Well, that's all for today's video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!